weather radio, WXK60, sunny. A chance of showers in frequency of 1 over the next. National Weather Service forecast for Charlotte. Lows around 30. Southeast winds 5 to 10 around 5 becoming south after midnight. Around 1 miles per hour. Lows slight chance of waves 1 miles an hour. Sunny. The upper 50s.
Right, so
south winds 10 miles. Chance of warning. Up to 25 miles an hour.
At
temperatures steady or slowly rising after midnight. South winds 10 to Wednesday night. Thursday, west winds 10 knots. Knots in the afternoon. Waves around 1 foot, increasing to around 2 feet in the afternoon. Thursday night, northwest winds 50. Lows in the lower 30s. Friday. 40s. Friday night, southwest winds 10 knots. Waves around 1 foot. Marine forecast, York River. Today, north winds 5 knots, becoming